Welcome back to the channel. We got the M4 getting ready to go out on a weekend rental, and we got a little issue with the headlight. So we cut the lights on. I was getting a fault, and I'll be dang if now it won't do it. That is crazy. So this is kind of like one of those deals where your car's acting up and then you go to the shop and okay, but it is not on. So you see we got the low beam on the driver's side but no low beam on the passenger side. So I'm thinking it's just that bulb, but I kind of want it to show the fault on the menu here, but it didn't do that. Maybe there we go. It just took it a little time, but yeah, that's what was popping up and do a little ding, and I hate that. It's not really good to send it out on rental like that. So let's see what it takes to get this bulb replaced. So first thing I think we need to do is cut the light off, which I did, and then we're gonna have to turn the steering wheel. I don't know if it's better to turn it to the left or the right to get to it, but we'll start with it to the right, and I'll show you what's next. So if YouTube is correct, it is definitely easier to turn the wheel to the other way. So let's get that fixed. Okay, I think that is much better. We're gonna sit a little GoPro up here so we can kind of keep an eye on what's happening. Okay, and I think the light is behind this little trap door, and it just has these two little clips which seem to be not as easy to get off because I'm trying to record and do it at the same time. But okay, so in reality, if you use two hands, they're really not hard to get off at all. Just those two clips. You may need a screwdriver if they're giving you some trouble. And then this, okay, yeah, it's just one little, not even a quarter turn. And so that is the back of the light, and I'm pretty sure you just unplug that. Ooh. And it comes right out. And so I don't even want to think about what this cost from the dealer. I ordered it off of Amazon, and I think it was like $33 with overnight shipping. So we're gonna see how good these hold up. And so I have almost 115,000 miles on the car, Light HID. I've never heard about this brand, but it had good reviews on Amazon, so I'm gonna try them. I figured they were good enough to take a chance on, and then it didn't work, just send it back. But I'm just gonna do both at one time. Wow, they even include little gloves to wear, because I guess you can't touch these bulbs. So, oh yeah, but I say these are really small gloves, but they're the one size fit all deals. And you probably really only need one hand to do it. And I guess it doesn't matter which one goes where. But under the gloves were the lights and the little instruction booklet. So that's kind of like the unboxing portion. And so I'm just going to take one out and see if they're marked right or left, which they are not. So we're just going to use this one for the right. And see if we can get it back going. If I can get the camera to go back the other way. Wow, I'm gonna take this glove off to get the camera to flip. That is crazy that touchscreen won't work through these little gloves. Kind of the point of these gloves too, huh? Okay, so now to get it back in there, just line it back up with the notches and give it a twist. That feels a little more snug than I think it should be, but I guess it can only go really one way and turn but so much. I feel like it came out a lot easier than it went in. Gave that a clamp, and yeah, now that feels more like it's in there. I don't like that moving like that. And then let's just crank it up before we put everything back, to make sure that it does indeed work. I was about to say, did we get the fault still? Vehicle status, control messages. Okay, that's good. Door open is the only one we got, and of course we had the driver's side already working, and now we have a passenger side light to match. So yeah, theoretically you could do that with one hand in 60 seconds if you knew what you were doing. And so I just made this little video for you so that now you should know. And that hood was not put on wrong. It's a lot easier to do this if you're not holding a phone. Let's say that was probably the easiest thing I've ever done maintenance-wise on this car. So thank you for checking out the video, and I'm going to report back in a little while and let you know how these HID light brand lights came out.